Hello guys, this is your moto journey, and for today's episode I'm going to share to you my new camping gear, which I bought this from Lazada for only 300 pesos and just add 84 pesos for the shipping fee. So it comes with a necklace, a sheath, and the knife itself. So I use this for during camp out, or I carry this as my self-defense. This is an EDC or everyday carry tool. So for the knife, the length of the blade is 2 inches long. For the handle, it's around 2.5 inches. So all in all, the total size of the knife is 4.5 inches. When I open this one, the blade is sharp already. It came from the box, so no need to sharpen this one. So it has a groove, this one, so you have a better grip. So for the handle grip, this one, it's texturized, so when you hold this one, so it will not slip easily. See? So when you place this one in your hand, this is the actual size, this one. So it's easy to conceal because it's very small, this one. So the blade is made up of satin polished SOG sharp blade, this one, and this is a G10 handle. It's texturized. And for the sheath, it's made up of plastic, solid plastic, and with a belt clip, this one. So the belt clip, you can rotate the belt clip for 360 degrees, so you can attach this one to your belt or to your bag vertically or horizontally, like this. You can attach this one to your belt like this, so it will be more concealable than placing it like this. But it's for your preference, it's up to you. So for example, you can rotate the belt clip according to the angle you like. You just use the Allen driver. But for me, I preferred it vertically, like this. So it has a branding name. Also the blade has a branding name. It's written with SOG Instinct Mini. is the lace. You can wear this as your necklace, and the sheath and the knife as your pendant with this. The overall weight for this blade knife is 1.4 ounce, and so this is a compact, wearable fixed blade knife with a hard nylon sheath. This one, featuring a fully adjustable pocket clip for a multitude of carry options. This one. So this is very cheap and the quality is very good. So it's highly recommended. That's all, and thank you. See you on our next episode.